بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Today we are discussing about the float type level transmitter. So the model number is ST600. So this is the specification you can see here. So now already we installed here, and you see the down, this is a floating type, and this it's measuring the level of the water if there is water, so you can check. So now we can see this is the connection line from here to the PLC panel inside the MCC room. So just now we will open this one, how to connect the wiring and how many wires is need. So the wiring is for this one is the instrument cable you can use. Okay, so now I will just open this one, and you will see here inside this is 3 wires. One is ground, the yellow color is the positive side, and the black one is the negative side. So this is a very simple connection just to here for this float type level transmitter. Just do the connection like this. This cable will go inside the PLC panel. I will show you further now. So now you can see if this floating point is going up, it's showing the level is going up. It is going down, it's meaning going down. So this is the cable route from here to the MCC room. This is the PLC room. I connected here. You can see here this 3 cable. So okay. So I just outside I just connected red cable with white because the cable was this. So that's why now you can see here this is the connection simple. From downside it's going out to the float drive transmitter, and this is the connector point, and it's going to the all PLC connection here. So it's very easy if you know about the PLC. So simple, just connect there, and also you can see in the HMI screen, this is the HMI screen. Okay, that was the outside pond, small pond. The level is like 2 meter, 1.5 meter, and you can see now. So this is simple, and this is overall view, so you can see for the plant, but just I'm showing you this one is a small pond, 1.5 meter LIT W902 W901A. So you can see the water level is 255 millimeter. We are supposing, and this is the manual. You want to check your manual. So it is very easy to install outside and inside connection, everything they will show you here. So just see, look at the position, how to install this one. So everything is mentioned at the manual. So I think this is a good language, but you can check in English also, you will available. But it's very simple if you see from the diagram, from picture. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and like my channel. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.